So this is how I choose the pair I'm currently trading. First of all, I'll go to ChatGPT or any other AI you are using and search for the most traded instrument. So this instrument will include both Forex pairs, metals, crypto spots, and so on. The reason I use ChatGPT or any other AI is for me not to miss or forget any pair. So after adding them to my watch list, I will now start to backtest them one after another. Another thing I do is that I ensure that I backtest each of them by strictly following the rules of my strategy. This is very, very important. So after backtesting each pair, I will record the result I got. I will record how many wins, I will record how many losses, and which market session do I see set up mostly on that pair. So this result will now help me to choose the good pairs after backtesting all pairs. Then I will delete the ones that did not have significant results. So what I do next is that I forward test those pairs that I choose from backtesting. So this forward testing will now help me to reduce the pair more, and now I will now have the best pairs that obeys my strategy very well.